Hi everyone, this is DIY Manual, and today we're going to take a look at the Thermomate 1500 watts outdoor electric infrared patio heater. If you like to stay outdoor and would like to stay cozy on your patio or deck, then this might be the product for you. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual, all the mounting hardware that you'll need, the remote control, and the heater unit itself. The heater has a really sleek and durable design with an aluminum housing. The product is rated IP65. 6 means that it's dust tight, and 5 means it's protected from water jets from any direction. That means it's built to withstand all kind of weather, so you can leave it mounted outside without worrying. This thing also comes with a 6-foot power cord. I contacted their support and asked them if I need a longer cable, will I be able to use an extension cord? And the answer is yes. You can use a number 14 gauge extension cord up to a combined length of 25 feet. So if you don't have an outlet close to where you want to install this, you should definitely be able to do that. And just to let you know, the wiring in your housing is actually a 12 gauge wire. So if you want to be really safe, I would invest in a 12 gauge extension cord if you wanted to extend your power cord. Once you plug in the device, you just want to turn on this switch right here. So once you turn the switch on, you are now in standby mode. You can actually control it from here by pressing this light right here. And then you can control the power by pressing the up and down arrow. And you can go from 0 to 9. And then it's going to go down again. And then you can also set up the timer by pressing this, and it will give you from 1 hour up to 24 hours. Another way to control it is by using the included remote control. So I'm gonna turn this on, and I want you to pay attention on how fast this thing will light up, okay? So I'm gonna turn it on, and you can see right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, now you have heat radiating right away. So in only about 3 to 5 seconds, you don't have to wait around to get it going. Plus, it uses an infrared technology, so it heats up the object directly rather than just heating the air. So this makes it a silent and comfortable heating experience, and it's not gonna dry out the air. And with a heating coverage of 80 to 100 square feet, this heater is perfect for patios, decks, garages, and even outdoor dining areas at cafes and restaurants. At just 4.6 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle during installation. To the back of your heater, you already have this mounting bracket attached to your heater. And it comes with this L bracket that you can attach to your wall so that you can have more space between your wall and your heater to prevent any fire. So to attach this to this one, all you need to do is use this screw that comes with your package and just put it under. And then here, you can just tighten it up. Okay, I'll do that again on the other side and tighten it up. Okay, so depending on your axis, this can be on the top or this can be on the bottom. Okay, so I just want to give you a quick idea on how it would look like once you have it up. The back of the unit is actually 7 inches away from the wall. And since you're going to be installing this up high, you're going to be able to adjust this to point downwards. Okay, so I think this is about 15 degree pointing down, and then you can go up to 90 degree. And a little over. And once you have it up like this, most likely you're gonna be controlling this using a remote. So let me go ahead and see if I can control it from here. Okay, so let me go turn it back off. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my kitchen, which is about 15-20 feet away from here. So this is from my kitchen, about 20 feet away. So it looks like I cannot control it from the side of the unit. I guess the infrared is on this side right here. So I'm gonna be doing it from here, which is about 12 feet away. And let me go ahead and increase the heating. See, right now it heats up really quick and it's really quiet. So to wrap it up, the Thermomate 1500 watts outdoor electric infrared patio heater is a great option for anyone who wants to enjoy their outdoor space year-round. You can find a link to this product in the description below if you'd like to check it out. If the manufacturer provides me with a discount code, I'll be sure to add that there as well. Please help support the channel by liking this video and subscribing, and feel free to leave any questions or comment below. Thanks for watching.